In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your Brother MFC-L2700DW printer. So first step is to go to the printer display panel. On the display panel, we have to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. So click on the setting icon, select network, select Wi-Fi WLAN, select setup wizard, click yes. It will display the list of wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi, press OK, enter the password using this display panel. So that's the password of your Wi-Fi. Press OK to apply the password. Printer is connected to the wireless network. If you click on the home screen, you will see the wireless signal on the main screen. That means your printer is available on your wireless router. Next step is to add this printer in a device for wireless printing and scanning. I'm just going to use my Android phone. Download and open the Brother Mobile Connect app. Click on the printer icon on the top. Click on the add machine. Select register your machine, first option. It will display your printer, that is MFC-L2730 or 1050, any model you have. Select it. If you want, you can just try a few things from the Brother, or you can just do it later. Skip if you want. Your machine is added and we are ready to use the printer. Click on the complete. It will take you to the Brother website where you can register your product. You can also go back and it will take you back to the main app. In this app you will see printer on the top. It displays everything regarding this printer and you can start using it for printing and scanning. If you want to know how to do printing and scanning, you can watch my other video on that. This way we can do the complete wireless setup and we can add it in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.